Northern Dock Systems' new construction and design team worked with Claybar Contracting and Nebo Ultra Wash for the design, turnkey supply, and installation of overhead doors for both the mechanical and electrical scopes of work. We installed 8 aluminum frame sectional overhead doors with MR10 Luxen glazing, 2 rolling steel fire doors, and 1 rolling steel service door. In the car wash bay, the 2 exit doors were interlocked and programmed to work in coordination with the car wash system, allowing for the doors to open and close based on a predetermined location of the vehicle. Additionally, these doors have been outfitted with our high-performance springless safe drive system, along with a complete upgraded car wash package. This package included NEMA 4 rated systems, powder-coated tracks, hardware, hinges, and barrel assembly, along with stainless steel non-rotating cables and 3-inch nylon rollers. The springless safe drive operator eliminates the need for springs that would start to rust and corrode in a car wash application. This high-speed operator can open doors up to 24 inches per second, which is 3 times faster than traditional jackshaft operators. The high opening and closing speeds will prevent the risk of steam freezing in the cold winter months. Another added benefit of the safe drive system is the design helps create a significantly lower maintenance system, increasing the longevity of the doors and reducing overall maintenance costs. For safety, each door included a 6-foot-high light curtain, a reflective photo eye, and safety edge to prevent the doors from accidentally closing on any cars that may be idling in the doorway. All other sectional doors on this project were outfitted with 100,000 cycle springs, track-mounted weather seal, double-end hinges, and traditional jackshaft operators. As a project that involved many details, requirements, door types, and applications, our construction team worked hand-in-hand with Claybar Contracting and Nebo Ultra Wash to ensure that the project was executed and completed as it was designed.